Welcome back to Auto Pulse Studio. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator, a modern three-row SUV created for families who want bold styling, practical space, strong road presence, and everyday versatility in one package. Mitsubishi has positioned the Destinator as an important new model for markets where spacious family SUVs are in high demand, and its design combines Mitsubishi's rugged character with a more sophisticated and premium appearance. From the first glance, the Destinator looks confident, modern, and ready for both urban driving and longer journeys. Starting at the front, the 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator features a wide and imposing face that immediately gives it a strong SUV identity. The front grille is integrated into a bold design, while the lighting signature uses slim LED elements that create a distinctive appearance. The front bumper has been sculpted to emphasize the vehicle's width, and the high bonnet gives the driver a commanding view of the road. Mitsubishi's design language is clearly visible here, combining sharp lines with a muscular stance that makes the Destinator look larger and more substantial than a typical family crossover. Moving toward the side, the Destinator has a long and balanced profile designed around its three-row layout. The extended wheelbase provides useful interior space, while the high ground clearance gives the SUV a confident stance. Large alloy wheels, strong wheel arches, sculpted doors, and a rising window line add character to the side profile. The roofline remains practical enough to preserve third-row headroom while still maintaining an attractive SUV shape. Roof rails add a rugged touch and also increase the vehicle's practicality for families carrying additional equipment during road trips. At the rear, the Destinator continues with a modern and clean design. The LED rear lighting creates a distinctive signature, while the wide tailgate and strong bumper give the SUV a planted appearance. The rear section is designed not only for visual appeal, but also for practicality, making it easier to load luggage for family trips. Overall, the exterior successfully combines Mitsubishi's rugged heritage with a modern family SUV personality. Step inside the 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator, and the cabin offers a much more premium experience than the exterior might initially suggest. The dashboard has a clean horizontal layout, with digital displays and a large central infotainment screen providing the main technology interface. The interior is designed to accommodate up to 7 passengers, making the Destinator a practical alternative for larger families. The first 2 rows focus strongly on comfort, while the third row provides additional seating when needed. The second row is particularly important because it offers a good balance between passenger comfort and access to the rear seats. Depending on configuration and market, the second row seats can be adjusted to create easier access to the third row, while the rear passengers benefit from dedicated ventilation and useful storage areas. The cabin also features modern materials, soft-touch surfaces in important areas, and premium trim elements that help create a more sophisticated atmosphere. The driver receives a modern digital instrument display that can provide important information such as vehicle speed, driving data, and safety alerts. The large infotainment display is positioned in the center of the dashboard and provides access to entertainment, connectivity, navigation functions, and vehicle settings. Smartphone connectivity makes it easier to stay connected while driving, while the premium audio system available on higher versions can make long journeys more enjoyable. One of the most attractive interior features is the large panoramic glass roof available on higher specifications. It allows more natural light into the cabin and creates a more open feeling for passengers in both the first and second rows. For a three-row SUV, this can make the interior feel considerably more spacious. Mitsubishi has also focused on convenience, with features such as automatic climate control, multiple charging ports, keyless entry, push-button start, power-adjustable seating, and various storage compartments depending on specification. The Destinator is clearly designed to be used as a daily family vehicle, so these practical features are just as important as its visual design. Under the hood, the 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator uses a turbocharged petrol engine designed to provide a strong combination of performance and efficiency. In markets where the current specification is offered, the vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing around 163 PS and approximately 250 Newton-meters of torque. Power is delivered through a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which is tuned for smooth acceleration and everyday usability. This powertrain is not designed to compete with high-performance SUVs, but it provides enough power for city driving, highway cruising, and carrying a full family. The turbocharged engine also provides useful torque at lower engine speeds, making acceleration easier when merging into traffic or climbing inclines. Mitsubishi has focused on creating a relaxed driving experience, and the CVT helps keep the engine operating efficiently during normal driving. Depending on the market and specific configuration, drivetrain availability can differ, so buyers should confirm the exact specification offered in their country. On the road, the Destinator is designed to feel stable, comfortable, and predictable. The suspension is tuned to handle a wide variety of road conditions, conditions, while the higher ground clearance makes it suitable for uneven roads and speed bumps. The steering is designed to remain light enough for city driving while providing confidence at higher speeds. This makes the Destinator a versatile SUV for families who spend part of their time in crowded urban environments and part of their time traveling outside the city. Ride comfort is particularly important in a three-row family SUV, and Mitsubishi has focused on reducing harshness and improving passenger comfort over rough surfaces. Safety is another major area of focus. The 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator is equipped with a range of active and passive safety technologies, with higher trims offering advanced driver assistance systems. Depending on specification, features can include adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic high beam, parking sensors, and a multi-view camera system. Multiple airbags, stability control, traction control, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, hill start assist, and other standard safety systems further strengthen the vehicle's family-friendly character. These features are particularly useful in a large SUV because they help the driver maintain better awareness around the vehicle. Practicality is one of the strongest reasons to consider the Destinator. With 3 rows of seating, it can carry a large family while still offering useful storage space. When fewer passengers are traveling, the rear seats can be folded to increase cargo capacity, making the SUV more useful for shopping, luggage, sports equipment, and weekend adventures. The wide tailgate opening also makes larger items easier. The Destinator's overall dimensions give it a substantial presence, but its practical design ensures that the size is being used efficiently. Another important advantage is its visual identity. Mitsubishi has managed to give the Destinator a design that feels modern without losing the rugged character associated with the brand. The bold front end, sharp LED lighting, muscular bodywork, high ground clearance, and strong rear design help it stand apart from many ordinary family crossovers. For buyers who want an SUV that looks distinctive without being excessively aggressive, the Destinator offers an attractive balance. Pricing will depend heavily on market, trim level, taxes, and equipment, so exact figures should be confirmed with Mitsubishi or local dealers when the vehicle is officially available. The Destinator is expected to compete in the increasingly competitive 3-row SUV market, where buyers are looking for more space, more technology, and better value. Its combination of 7-seat practicality, turbocharged performance, modern styling, and Mitsubishi's SUV heritage gives it a strong foundation. So, who is the 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator for? It is primarily aimed at families who need more space than a conventional 5-seat crossover can provide, but still want a vehicle that is easy enough to use every day. It is suitable for school runs, commuting, shopping, family vacations, and highway travel. It also appeals to buyers who want a modern SUV with a distinctive design and a practical interior. Overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator represents an important step for Mitsubishi in the modern family SUV market. It combines bold exterior styling, a spacious 7-seat cabin, modern technology, turbocharged performance, useful safety systems, and everyday practicality in one attractive package. It might not be designed as an extreme off-road machine or a high-performance SUV, but its strength comes from balance. It aims to provide the space families need, the technology modern drivers expect, and the rugged SUV character that Mitsubishi is known for. If you are searching for a practical 3-row SUV with a strong design, comfortable interior, useful technology, and capable everyday performance, the 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator deserves a serious look. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Autopole Studio, and turn on notifications for more new car reviews, SUVs, hybrid vehicles, luxury cars, and the latest automotive launches from around the world. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Mitsubishi Destinator 2026, and thanks for watching Autopole Studio.